YouTube. We're in the car wash. We just got, like, I don't know, soaking. Aren't you supposed to go, like, forward?
No.
Oh.
That's gonna happen.
Yeah, that's gonna happen.
Oh
Whoa.
my god.
Now that's happening, and
I
that's
love
happening,
these
and
cars.
everybody's happening.
Look at
And now, Yoli's, like, scared. Oh my gosh. Look at everything. Are we getting dry?
No, we're getting wet.
No, we're getting...
Well, now we're getting No, we're getting wet.
Oh yeah, we are getting wet.
These are
Look at everything.
It feels like we're moving.
I know. I'm not even moving the camera. Whoa, we're getting even more wet. By that machine right there. Oh my gosh. We're getting more wet. Why?
I guess I'm doing it again.
Maybe they're rating it? Because after it was soap and water before. This floor must be wet. Look, it's...
Car
I'm going to make you guys go forward. Is that better for you guys? Yeah, it's better for you. Now we're getting dry. You guys hear that? It's like... getting dry.
in the car wash car.
About to... Ooh!
About to get dry. Oh god. Where's the dryer thing?
Where's the dry? Oh, I think it just... It's like... you're talking to Kyron.
About to get dry. I said Kaya.
Oh.
It sounded like I said
Whoa.
Those are the dryers.
Did you see that? Like, whoa. It's getting dry. I'm gonna see here. You guys are gonna watch here.
Look at the bushes.
Look how wet it is. This is about to get dry. You guys hear that? Like, literally, you hear that? See, that's getting dry, guys. About to get dry. If that window was open. Okay.
Look at you. I hate that they won't. When it's come up, they don't know shit.
But I'm pretty good at look. Show them your Snapchat.
On my Snapchat, yeah. Guys, go follow me on Snapchat.
And me. I'll put it in the description below, but
Okay, Mallory, this one added me over.
whoa, it's like,
I'm gonna change that picture though.
Okay, girls,
Oh yeah.
you guys all get out, start cleaning from behind there, put everything in the trash before I take it to go back to you.
okay,
Okay.
bye you guys. So, we're about to clean the car now. Peace.
Every trash in the
Oh
car
wait, we didn't go.